thanks for the video. This will be a little bit easier for me to do what you need. So what I accomplished was I reinstated some custom blocks that I had put in, and I think I'd removed them or something, but you have the ability to put menu items in the front and the back of a menu system depending on how you have the header set up in the static code for the template. So for example, I put custom before 2, and then I put some behind. So what I would say you could do is you could scrap all of these links that are in the menu system and hard code them in, or you could leave just the ones you want and add to the front or add to the back. Then that way you can put your hashtag in there so that it'll go to the lower portions within the page. So let me show you how that works. Alright, so in the static block sections you'll see that I've created a Dorado custom menu before main menu and then an after main menu. They're disabled right now, but one of the important things is I don't know if currently we're even going to be utilizing the multi-store views that were in it, but in this particular case we'll want to make sure that the store view is only for Dorado. If you wanted to do the same thing, you'd have to create the exact same identifiers. The identifiers are what are important to signifying in the code where that block resides. So there's actual identifiers for these two pieces of code. Doesn't matter what you name it, the title does not identify that. So in this particular case we can go into the before. So what you'll see here is you'll see the top header portion, which is the home, and then you'll see the custom before, custom after. Okay, and that's all you really have to do to get that code in place. So obviously this is the short code for the store. If we were using this on multiple sites, we could, for example, if you wanted home to be on every one, you could have it as the store view, the main all store views, but in this particular case we're only doing it for Dorado. So that's the one step to getting the new custom code in place in the header portions up top. The other part you have to do in order to get this correct is you can do one of two things, but I would just recommend just disabling from the menu so you can include in the menu. So for example, you've got foot master and you've got twin wheel, and you've also got Dorado. So here are all the identifiers for this. You can see there's no products in this. So what we could do is you could say I wanted, if you want to get rid of all of the brands portion, or let's say contact, if you were going to hard code that in, you could just go to contact, and because you don't want to get rid of the category altogether because it's probably got the contact us form enabled in it, you just hit this, you hit save, and then it's no longer in the menu system itself. Obviously clearing the cache and allowing it to save is the first portion, so go ahead and do that. Oops, not index though. You can see now the front and back are gone now on it. So I'll go back in there and re-enable that. Let me know if you have any questions on that. Should be pretty much all you need on the menu system.